So, you want to get rid of your acne scars once and for all. Having acne scars is no joke. It can have a serious impact on your self-confidence and your overall facial attractiveness. So, it's best to get rid of them. But how do you do this? Today I'll be breaking down how to lose your acne scars once and for all, in an easy and practical way. But before we get to know how to lose your acne scars, we first have to take a look at how you even get them. So acne scars happen when your skin tries to heal itself after you've had acne. When you have acne, your skin gets kind of damaged and your body naturally sends signals to heal the damage. And this can cause too much or too little collagen to be produced. Collagen is the substance that helps your skin stay healthy and strong. If too little collagen is produced, you can get atrophic scars, which you can see on your screen right now. And if too much collagen is produced, you can get hypertrophic scars, which are like raised bumps on your skin. Things like picking at your acne or even touching your acne can make it more likely for you to get acne scars. I do have to mention, some people are just more prone to scarring than others. This is all because of your genetics, unfortunately. So that's basically the reason why acne scars happen. Now let's get rid of them. There are two ways to get rid of your acne scars. The natural way, which is cheaper, but it also takes more time to heal. Or you have the, let's call it the non-natural way. I'll break them both down so you have enough options. We'll start with the natural ways. For this I have a short and effective routine. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. This is to remove any dirt, oil, or even makeup from your skin. You want to use lukewarm water to avoid irritating your skin. Step 2. Apply aloe vera gel. You want to apply fresh aloe vera gel to your face and neck. Gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with some warm water. Step 3. Mix lemon juice and honey. Once a week, mix 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of raw honey in a small bowl. Then you want to apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you want to rinse it off with cool water, so not warm water. Step number 4. Apply vitamin E oil. Before going to bed, apply a small amount of vitamin E oil to your acne scars or any area where you have scarring. You want to gently massage it into your skin for a few minutes, and then you don't have to do anything anymore. You can just go to sleep. Step number 5. Green tea. It's time to brew a cup of green tea and let it cool down. Once it's cool, use a cotton ball to apply the tea to your face and neck. Then again, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can rinse it off with cool water. And the final step, step number 6, moisturize. You want to finish your routine by applying a lightweight moisturizer to your face. This will help seal in hydration and protect your skin. If you really want to lose your acne scars the fastest possible way, I would suggest trying out some of the non-natural ways I'm gonna mention right now, combined with the natural routine I just mentioned. I'll start out with the most accessible and easier non-natural ways you can apply. First off on that list are chemical peels. Then we have microneedling, and then we have adding retinoids to your daily skincare routine. Then there are some other ways like laser therapy, derma fillers, and even cryotherapy. I can't explain all these ways in detail because I have simply not used them, and the video would become way too long. If your scars are deep and serious, I do suggest going to a dermatologist. They just have more knowledge than a YouTube video, my man. And they're really professional about it. They can really help you with your deep acne scars. In the end, it all comes down to yourself. Not every method will be a perfect fit, and it is up to you to find the most suitable solution for your acne scars. But there's definitely light at the end of the tunnel, because when those acne scars are finally gone, every time you look in the mirror, you are the reason your skin is now clear. I hope you found the video helpful, gentlemen. Be sure to leave down in the comments your experience with acne scars and what you did to overcome them.